Friday here in West Michigan. Not exactly warm enough to melt a lot of the snow, though, on the ground.
Boy, look at that shot. Gorgeous out there. Joined by Kyle Underwood right now outside the tracking center. What are we looking for this weekend?
Same thing tomorrow, except even warmer.
Oh, nice.
So we got some good news for Saturday. A little light snow here on Sunday. So if you have a football party you need to get to for the Super Bowl, we may see, some slick roads from time to time, but this is not going to be a heavy snow event for us here on Sunday. Just thinking an inch or less. So I want to start tonight's weathercast. This is a great image. This is today's satellite photo taken from about 500 miles out. And I have to point a few things out to you. We've got open water over most of Lake Michigan right now with temperatures at the water surface still, 33, 34 degrees. There's a little bit of ice. You can see it on the southwest part of the lake from Chicago down to about Michigan City or Gary. That ice is representing just a small portion of the roughly 12% of Lake Michigan that's covered in ice right now. And then you look on the right side of the screen, that's Michigan and northern Indiana, where you can see that we have the cloud cover and the snow on the ground. All the brown, that's Indiana, Illinois, where there is no snow covering the ground. And then you get up into Wisconsin and you can see some of this white on the screen, and that's where we have snow on the ground, but clear sky, so good view of it. So clear and cold on the other side, a little bit warmer. Didn't feel warmer, but relative to Wisconsin, and we had the cloud cover on this side of the lake. So all kinds of things that you can glean from that really interesting looking satellite photo. So here's Storm Track Live. You can see the sweep of the radar beam here moving very, very slowly. No returns here across southern parts of Michigan. Very little cloud cover out there right now, too, until you get to northern Michigan, where we have a couple of snow flurries, and there's enough cold air crossing Lake Superior to produce a couple of snow showers also, but otherwise clear and dry. So cold start tomorrow. Look at these temperatures toward daybreak, down in the low teens for most places. A lot of sunshine through the day, so this is going to look a lot like today did on Saturday. But temperatures will be warmer. Keep an eye on those numbers. Up around 30, maybe 35 for some places tomorrow afternoon. So that sunshine's really going to help us warm up a little bit here for tomorrow. But for now, it's cold. These are wind chills. It's 5 in GR, 6 in Battle Creek. The cold spot is Big Rapids now at 3. A lot going on with our 8-day forecast. Let's break this down day by day. Tomorrow, as we've established, pretty nice day. 30, pleasant, 34 for Sunday. Light snow, an inch or less. Now, you travel to northern Michigan, we may see 2 or 3 inches of snow. Monday looks quiet, mostly cloudy skies, and then some freezing rain is possible on Tuesday. But I think the window for freezing rain is pretty quick, probably in the morning. This is something, to get freezing rain to happen, you have to have so many things come to place at the right time in the right place. So we're not saying that's a slam dunk. We're watching that carefully. Most of what we see on Tuesday is going to be rain. And then Wednesday, much colder air and snow seems likely at this point. We could see several inches, especially by the lakeshore, and then just cold here for the rest of this 8-day forecast. So
It looks like it.
I envy people who are going on an early spring break. It'd be a lovely time to do it.
Perfect.
Lucky. Thanks, Kyle.